This is the old eastern entrance into the SRD, the military base that was established here late 1930s, 1940s. We're going through the two pillars of the gate, and this is all still intact. And I had no idea that this building still existed. I had no idea. Look at the way that is formed. Typical 1940s architecture. We've got a blocked up sort of entrance there, blocked up entrance or storage entrances. That's the main sort of entrance, the sort of guard entrance. The beautiful metal curved windows are still there. We've got a blast proof roof. That's absolutely amazing, and it's still intact. Isn't that absolutely amazing? Would have gone down this road leading into this huge supply depot. This building on the right is remaining. This is absolutely unbelievable. I had no idea. I thought it was just a little ruin in the background. And we've got these windows here. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, progress. This is probably going to go. Severe damage there, but as a building, it wouldn't take a lot to save this. Unfortunately, progress. When I say, when you look in here, you know, there's no real damp in here, and it's lots of stuff dumped. We just come in through here now, so if that was originally open in the Second World War, then it goes through here. This might be some kind of checkpoint for the estate. Obviously it is. And then we go in here. This is where the entrance, this is where this entrance is here. And you're seeing this, and you're seeing out through the windows that I just looked in through. And you're going in through here. And again, some of the original windows. Looking in here, blocked up fireplace. I love it. I'm so impressed by this. Look at that. The original timber work on the door frame. This has obviously been changed a lot. Toilet area here. Another one. Another toilet area here as well. Absolutely unbelievable. I'm loving this. This will be put out when I'm able to put this video out. Obviously not, I got to avoid people coming down here and seeing this, but this is amazing. And sort of moving back out again, sort of we look at this from the back, and sort of I jump and I move, and just looking back, a lot of material dumped. And look at this here as we start to go. And we say goodbye to this wonderful building. I love it. This is Karl-James Langford, Associated British Ports. This is the east entrance to the old military supply base at Atlanta Trade Estate. At the back of this building here. Thank you very much.